Have you ever struggled to get just the right green in your watercolor paintings? Do you wonder how to mix a natural looking green like those seen in nature? If so, this video is for you. In this video, I'm sharing a few of my favorite green mixes using the blues and yellows on my watercolor palette. Okay, let's get started. Welcome to my studio. My name is Kris. This channel is all about tools, tips, and tutorials for growing in watercolor. Before we get started with the color mixing, I want to let you know about a new free resource in my online studio that shows you how I mix 42 different beautiful greens from the blues and yellows on my palette. Yes, you heard me right, 42 greens. The mixes I'm showing you in this video are just a subset of what I share in the full-length video tutorial on my website. Included with that resource is a complete list of all the colors that I use in my mixes, a chart of my 42 greens, and a template that you can download and use to create your own reference chart. If this sounds interesting to you, follow the link in the description area below this video. This resource is free and is my gift to you. Okay, back to mixing some of my favorite greens. My first mix is French Ultramarine and Quinacridone Gold. This combination of a warm, granulating blue with a rich, warm orange color creates a deep, dark, granulating green. This is the darkest of the green mixes that I will show in this video. It is wonderful for the shadow side of foliage or dark green trees. My second mix is Cobalt Blue and Nickel Azo Yellow. Cobalt is a mid-neutral blue that mixes well with other colors. When mixed with Nickel Azo Yellow, you get a bright spring green, but it's not too bright. I love it for those sunlit areas of a landscape. My third mix is Phthalo Blue Green Shade with Raw Sienna. By combining this cool, transparent blue with a warm earth tone, you can achieve a rich mid-green that is somewhat neutralized. And this mix can get quite dark too. My fourth and final mix is Cerulean Blue Chromium combined with Permanent Yellow Deep. This mix of a beautiful granulating sky blue with a warm orange yellow creates an earthy green with orange undertones. Learning to mix greens is an essential skill for the watercolor artist. So I encourage you, get out all your blues and all your yellows and start mixing some beautiful greens. Create a chart that you can keep handy and refer to when you need to mix just the right green. Also, if you need more green mix ideas, check out my free template and chart on my website at studio.krisdebruine.com. I will leave a direct link in the description below. After you complete this exercise, I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share your favorite green mixes from the colors on your palette. Be sure to share the color name, manufacturer, and the pigment number so we know exactly which colors you're mixing. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Have a great day and keep on growing in watercolor.